winter weather message from the National Weather Service. A vigorous frontal system will bring significant snowfall, where accumulations of 18 inches to 2 feet are possible.
CDI is Colorado's largest self-performed snow removal contractor. For the blizzard of 2021, we dispatched our own team of over 100 plow trucks, 13 loaders, 9 ag tractors, 21 skid steers, 20 stand-on snow pushers, and an army of hand shovelers. CDI, Colorado's largest locally owned self-performed snow removal contractor.